It's David, Marketing Manager at Thera Wellness. Today I'm going to explain the red and black output and input cables. A Thera Wellness device comes with 2 black and 2 red cables, all of which are 2 meters in length. However, we do stock extras as short as half a meter and as long as 5 meters for whatever setup you need. We also have breakaway ends, which are handy when using our devices to treat animals. First, let's come over to the side of the device. Typically, the black input cables go in the black input ports, and the red output cables go into the red output ports. Putting the cables in is super easy. We just grasp the cable by its end and press firmly into the port. To remove the cable, grasp the end and release. Use input cables to connect to applicator mats so the device can take in information from the patient's body. The modulation mat is our primary output, but sometimes we want to also send information from the device to elsewhere. Then we use output cables to send information out to creams, supplements, etc. Back to the side of the Thera. You can see there are only 2 input and 2 output ports. So what if you want to take input from more than 2 sources, like we have here? Well, the cables have a port at both ends, so you can attach a 3rd cable at the base. Just like that. You can also connect 2 cables end to end to reach further, like so. However, we do not recommend doing this to reach a length longer than 3 meters. If you need to reach that far, we strongly encourage you pick up a 5-meter cable. What if you're in a bind and need an extra input or output cable? As we see here, we've got 2 inputs, but we need a 3rd. Well, you can swap in and use a red output cable as an input. The 2 are mechanically and electrically identical. They're just color-coded so you can remember what goes where. Well, I hope that answers all of your input and output cable questions. Stay well.